Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Don't forget, if you like the video, click on like and subscribe and talk about it on chat lines or wherever it is your social media activities, and help us to grow and help more people. I'll talk to you soon. One of the very interesting things that was done by a famous surgeon, Dr. Penfield, I think he was from Canada, I don't know, a long while ago, apparently. He noticed that regardless of what he tries to do to the brain through the surgery, there were certain things it wasn't possible to influence the brain, to change. For example, he could stimulate the memory by stimulating parts of the brain. He could make a muscle to move by stimulating part of the brain. But he couldn't change or affect the consciousness. He couldn't affect the sense of self that the person had. He then realized and summed up that it's beyond materialism, that our existence is not limited to the brain and what its material process is. We are beyond that, because even the brain could not affect the sense of self. The brain couldn't be stimulated to make changes to the consciousness, to stimulate it, to affect it while they were actually probing the brain. So there was something there that they couldn't touch, and that was you. That is you. You are different from all these material processes that the brain does, which is thoughts and conjuring up images and suggestions is part of it. So stop thinking that what comes to your mind in the form of any kind of a thing, OCD, HOCD, that it's actually giving you a message that you're changing or you're now this. It cannot change. There is a you beyond the brain that the brain cannot touch, but you can control the brain in a way of changing its behavior through the way you treat it and pay attention or diss it and ignore its productions. Through neuroplasticity, it learns to comply with your wishes, and you have the power by your choices and the way you behave with the thoughts and images, suggestions that brain makes. You change the brain to learn, even when the caudate nucleus is not functioning well through the malfunction of the signaling system that is going through. So your behavior will kick into the brain's program to learn that, hey, even though caudate nucleus is not working to shut down these intrusive thoughts, but I am telling you, because I'm not paying attention to it, because I'm not taking them as if they are anything pertaining me, you learn not to make this as before, and it reduces it and it becomes more manageable until eventually the caudate nucleus kicks back into automatic system and you get out of that glitch. But important is that through your values and protecting your values, which is the address for you to negotiate this journey of life, keeping those values safe, and that would be your trajectory, you can then with the power of the energy of your trajectory and what's meaningful to you, keeping them safe and whole, you diss and ignore the intrusions, the thoughts that are coming to your head by the brain that is intrusive, and then you will not be bamboozled or affected by it, and keeping your sanity together instead of thinking, oh, I'm changing in this and that or whatever it is that it is causing you the concern. I'll talk to you soon.